Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin privileges and any required MFA enabled so you can make changes securely. Next, locate the exact SSO identifier you intend to delete. Check the identity provider and the target application mapping. Once done, open the admin console and navigate directly to the identity or user management page. Make sure to note linked resources and any dependent apps before proceeding, so you won't orphan accounts or lose access unexpectedly. You now validate all links. List connected applications, active tokens, and current sessions tied to that SSO ID. Revoke active sessions and invalidate OAuth or API tokens first to stop ongoing access. This prevents race conditions when you remove the identity. Make export snapshots of configuration and user mappings for rollback. Once you've revoked access and backed up mappings, double-check audit logs and dependency reports so you can proceed safely to the actual deletion step. You perform the deletion using the admin console or the provider API, following the exact delete operation. Confirm prompts and note any warnings. After deletion, verify the record is absent from directories and all consuming applications no longer list that identity, and run a quick access test to affected apps. Finally, examine audit logs for completion and notify owners. If something goes wrong, restore from the exported snapshot and re-enable revoked tokens to recover access. Check logs to pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.